This is a bear. Strong, smart, and one of the most fascinating animals in the wild. Even though they look scary, most bears are shy and try to avoid humans. They're omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat, and yes, they really love honey. During winter, bears go into hibernation, a deep sleep that helps them survive when food is hard to find. Here's a cute fact. Baby bears, called cubs, are born tiny and blind completely, depending on their mothers for warmth and milk. Bears may look fierce, but they're actually gentle giants, strong, calm, and deeply connected to nature.